Hi, my name is Pooja, and I go to Capel Middle School North, and I'm in 8th grade in Miss Weaver's class. I'm in Art 1, and this is my printmaking project called Genetically Altered. I started this project out by creating a sketch of a social issue that I cared about, which was, in this case, genetically altered food. And then, once I got my color scheme approved, I set to work. I got a wooden block, put a piece of rubber on it, and carved everything out that I wanted to stay the paper, leaving some areas to create texture and interest. Then once I was done, I created an ink color which I wanted. My first ink color was yellow-green, and then I evenly spread the ink out on my printing block. And after I did all my registration marks on my paper, I laid the block down, lining it up with the registration marks on the paper. Once I was sure that the ink had spread evenly on the paper, I peeled it off and wrote my name, edition number, and the title, which was Genetically Altered, and hung it up to dry. I did this 14 more times, and then after that, I carved everything that I wanted to stay my previous color, which was green, and repeated the printing process, but with a different color, which was orange. I did the third time I did this, I did it with black. And I thought that was the hardest because I had to make sure that I could add all the value using hatching. I like art because it allows me to express my viewpoint and current problems such as genetically altered food and other social issues. And if I could change one thing in this artwork, it would be the craftsmanship because on a lot of my prints it ended up smearing and it didn't look very good. The most dominant element in this artwork would have to be value because I had to carve out all the hatching, and before I did my black layer, which was all my value, it didn't look very realistic, and the black really helped show what I was trying to show of the kiwi inside the orange. And then what I like most about this artwork is that the messiness and the graphic lookingness of it. I think that the messiness really helps convey that it's a social issue and not something that's good.